Hello, here's the current workflow for the video processing for the QAC, the Quality Assessment Camera Kit. So we have the quality checker that has been neatly designed by Joy. I'm yet to integrate with it, the video processing with it, but I would like it to be the case that whenever footage is captured and saved, it opens this file in here and replaces this file name, this placeholder file name, to whatever footage that has just been captured. Now, once it has done that, this file should be ran, and what it will do once this runs, it's going to go replace all occurrences of that clip file name placeholder in the Kdenlive XML file with the new file name, being this one down here. So once it does that, it is going to go save the modified XML output path and overwrite the original if the input path is none. So it shall do that. And what this does here is it pre-fills the search query, but with this file name here. It's totally fine to switch this file name with some other video, any other video on the computer, but it just pre-fills the search query. Now once it's opened, we can go treat it as such, and each of these different categories can be changed, and renaming each of these categories for the computer vision model to detect and to be trained with. Okay, so once the footage has been labeled, and each of these labels can be dynamically changed. That is the case because this Kdenlive XML2 YOLO V8, each of the labels in the project bin can influence the labels of the dataset, the data.yaml. So once these are appropriately labeled, so I've got normal here showing that this is a relatively normal part versus this part here being bent, you can go see that of course the boundary boxes can go change in location. I'll go over the particularities as to how this is best done, but yes, we go save this, yeah, gotcha. We go render. I'll seek to get this output process to be a little more streamlined, but yes, we go output the PNG. So we go videos, bounding box output. With this output, we can go apply the Kdenlive XML2 YOLO V8. It writes the labels for each of the files. So these labels here for each of the images. So this image here has the bounding box 0 corresponding to bent, 1 corresponding to bent and dethreaded, 2 corresponding to dethreaded and just threaded, and 4 corresponding to normal. Now, if that's with the assumption that all 4 of these categories, these labels, are occurring simultaneously in the video. That isn't necessarily the case for every single circumstance. So we can go add and change and subtract these labels according to whenever they feature. But this can be changed. Good luck. Thank you.